Welcome back to Raft.
Hey guys.
Alright, this time I'd like to get some scuba gear by the end of the stream. For that we need a lot of seaweed. Oh, you're extending the boat.
That's all I am. That's all I am.
I'll try my lamp off. Look, go to my stream. I want to see how evil I look. I'll get that.
Fear not, Joey.
Do I get that? Put the pickle.
No, don't go, Joe.
Joey.
Sure.
You gotta wait till he starts eating.
Die. Die.
Is he? Why is our boat spazzing?
Water. Glitch on the island, my boy. Wait.
I'm getting so much seaweed that we might be able to make some scuba gear.
Holy shit.
What?
The game glitched out, and that seaweed gave me like 8 seaweed.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so I have 10 seaweed right now. But hey, what do we need to make an axe? Fuck.
Probably rocks.
Planks. Can we just cruise around this island with the sail until we have enough planks to go?
I can't turn around.
Can't you guide the sail?
Yeah, but it follows the wind. I can only go left, right, and forward.
Oh shit. Well,
Let's just park here.
I need 3 more planks.
Joey, make that 2 more planks.
Trevor, consider it done.
Or fish.
Whoa, there's like a thing up here.
Thing.
There's like a washing machine. There's a chest. I just unlocked
Oh,
a
yeah.
recipe for fish stew.
Brother. It's been a while since I've found one of the islands with a chest on it. They used to be, in the old update, there used to be a chest on like every island you got.
Dude, this is awesome. The description for stone, it just says heavy.
There. Fish. Fish stew is there.
I don't want it then. Excuse me!
Remember in Sunny when Charlie ran up to that guy when he was dressed as Serpico? He's like, "Hello, guy. Excuse me, hi."
No, no, back me up here. I'm going in. Hey, guy!
Hey, Charlie, where you going?
What are you doing? Hello, guy! Hello!
Don't.
Get out of here!
Trevor!
I'm sorry. I didn't know you were shooting.
Yes!
Scared me. Dude, I'm getting the trophies too.
Just go to it, and if we make it, we make it. I lost an arrow.
No, you didn't. It's on the edge of the boat over there.
Is it really?
Wait, I saw it. Now it's not here. Did you get my voicemail last night?
It did. It's very strange.
I was laughing for a very long time after listening. You know, play it for the screen.
Oh yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah. 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 Explain on my water tastes like ice. Huh? Yo. Yo.
Island! Hey, that's a giant clam. Hey, that's a giant clam. Hey, that's a big
I
clam.
didn't want to be.
That's a big clam. What would you call it, giant? I was just gonna say big, but you say giant. That's a giant clam, if you ask me.
Well, that's what I call racism.
More island.
No!
Oh, let me get enough planks to repair the boat. An entire metal bar for 1 bolt.
$1,000. said that.
Oh, I was on the boat